If you're in desperate need of a peel but won't be able to make it into the office anytime soon, I have a great at-home peel that we can go ahead and walk through today. Now, with this peel, it is not for patients that have not been acclimated to retinols. So if you've never used a retinol before in your skincare routine, if you've never used a tretinoin of any kind, then this peel is not for you. I do have other options that we can go ahead and get you on to get your skin ready for this at-home peel treatment. But if you are on a Zeo Skin Health regimen where you are using retinol very frequently, or are on a tretinoin, or have used it in the past and your skin's pretty tolerant to it, well then just keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do this amazing at-home treatment. This advanced at-home peel treatment is a very simple process, and it's only going to be using these 3 products right here. So you're going to only be using those 3 products for a certain amount of days. Typically it's around 3 days. You can probably push it 4 depending on your tolerance, but we're going to start off with the mild version of the peel first and then work our way up to the moderate peel. Now this is a very gentle cleanser, suitable for all skin types. Very mild. I like to use it for shaving. You can use it on the body as well, like body gel instead of like a facial cleanser. It smells divine. Like, I love the way it smells. Everyone loves this cleanser when I use it on them in my back bar. So I'm just going to massage that all over. All right, and then we're going to rinse it off. Okay, so now that my face is rinsed from the cleanser, I am going to apply Daily Power Defense. So Daily Power Defense is a high antioxidant, anti-aging product. It's going to help to prevent your skin from breaking down, the skin health from breaking down, and that breakdown can cause premature fine lines, wrinkles, discoloration, also like a rougher texture. So this product is an amazing product to have in your daily routine. That's why it's called Daily Power Defense. You want to make sure you use it daily for that optimal protection and skin stabilization. So I'm going to be taking 3 pumps. The instructions are 2 to 3. So I personally like to use 3. And I'm going to mush it in between my fingers here to make it even, and then I'm going to massage it all over. Now I'm going to massage this product in really well. It has like a really light fluid type of feeling to it. So the more you massage it in, the drier it gets. So when it gets kind of dry and when your fingers don't slip off the skin really easy, they kind of drag a little bit, that's when you know you've massaged it in. Apply it to your neck because your neck needs some love too. And I usually take this product right underneath my eyes to get that benefit under there as well. I don't go on the lower eyelid. I kind of just stay here in the orbital region because it'll travel. And I can go a little bit under the brow bone here, like on that brow bone. And there, that's the Daily Power Defense. For this at-home peel, we're going to be following the Daily Power Defense with the Advanced Radical Night Repair, and that's this product here. This product is a high-potency retinol product at a 1%. It has a silicone type of feeling, very similar to the vitamin C product. So you can see here, that's about 3 pumps. I'm going to put 5 there. So that's what it looks like, a little silicone-y. In order to do the mild version of this at-home peel, we are going to take 5 pumps, which I placed on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna apply those 5 pumps all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and avoid bringing it down to my neck because your neck will react very aggressively. Unless you've been using like a retinol for your neck specifically, I don't really recommend applying that to your neck at all. I'm gonna bring it down underneath my face here, or my chin, I should say. And again, it has a little bit of a silicone thick kind of feeling to it. So you want to massage it in. It smells really good. It smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it just smells like really good. I don't know how to explain that scent, but it's not an artificial scent, if that makes any sense. It feels really nice and soft on the skin. With this, you do want to avoid the eye area. So instead of going as high as I did with the Daily Powder Defense, I'm going to kind of stay around right here because the product will travel and it will cause irritation around the eye. All right, so now the product's starting to feel a little drier on my skin, as opposed to like that slick feeling that it had before. So I know that I'm getting to my end point of massage, but I want to make sure that I just massage it in very well, very evenly. That's going to help the product penetrate because again, it has that little bit of a thickness to it. So the more we massage, the better it penetrates and it does what it needs to do. And as you can see, when I massage my face, I am not very gentle. I'm not hurting myself in any way, shape, or form. Massaging my face the way I'm doing it, where it's like actually moving the tissue, is a good form of circulation stimulation. So I'm just stimulating that circulation of my skin, bringing the blood flow up there. It's going to help the nutrients and the ingredients penetrate better. I'm going to bring that oxygen to the surface. So don't be afraid to massage your skin. It's completely fine. All right, so that is it for the mild peel. You're gonna be doing this for 3 days in a row. So for example, you're gonna start Sunday, you're gonna do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This same routine that I just showed you will be done twice a day, so morning and night. And this is for the milder peel, so you're gonna be using only the 5 pumps. For my skincare daredevils that want to do a stronger peel, I'm going to show you the moderate peeling process now. So it's literally everything we just did, including the 5 pumps, but we are going to turn it up a notch. We're going to do 8 pumps. So I had 5, 6, 7, 8. I am pushing the product this little pump all the way down to make sure I have the full pump. So now I have 8 pumps. I'm going to rub it on my skin. Same way as I did. And work that in. All right, so that's it. We massaged a total of 8 pumps into the skin. This routine is going to be done morning and night for 3 days. Now, in some cases, patients do want to do it a little longer, maybe 4 or 5 days, completely fine. That's up to you. Again, this peel is only for patients who are tolerant to retinols or retinoic acid. So if you've never used a retinol, cannot tolerate retinol daily, this peel is not for you. And there are other options that we can go ahead and give you when it comes to making your skin shed a little bit, giving you like a little peel without having to come in the office, and you're still gonna have that stimulation, and then eventually you can move up to this more aggressive peel. The benefit of this peel is that it's going to help with your skin texture. It's going to help to smooth it out. It's going to help with skin dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, skin cell stimulation. Also going to help with lightening pigmentation or any pigmentation concerns you might have. You're going to get an improvement in that appearance as well. But remember, I did say that this is a more advanced anti-aging at-home peel. So you are going to have some irritation and inflammation associated with that. So redness, peeling, flaking, tingling of the skin, that is all very common throughout the 3 days, or it might actually even kind of show up after the 3 days. You might have that irritation because again, this is a faster penetrating retinol, but sometimes your skin doesn't really understand what's going on until like a day or 2 later. So you might see delayed reactions, but the reactions are going to happen. They are anticipated, and that's what we want to see. If you are having reactions after the 3 days of your peel, you can use calming ingredients like the renewal cream is a great add-on to this peel. It's going to help to calm the inflammation from the at-home peel, but you're also going to be having some of that stimulation from the renewal cream because it has a little bit of retinol to make sure your skin cells don't go to sleep. You can also use the hydrating cream, great option to add on to your routine. If you feel like you absolutely need something to calm and soothe the skin, then the hydrating cream is another great choice. Now, if you have a severe inflammatory response to this peel, for example, you do it one day and it's like your face is beet red, bright, like it's really, really uncomfortable, then go ahead and minimize the amount of pumps. This product can be used as a long-term, short-term solution, or as a really short-term solution with the at-home peel protocol that I showed you. So if you need to go ahead and lower the amount of pumps we're using, that's completely fine until your skin becomes tolerant. And once your skin becomes tolerant, because it is going to acclimate to the retinoic acid in this product, you're then going to go ahead and increase the number of pumps as you see fit. So if you're not able to tolerate the full 5 pumps for the mild peel or the full 8 for the moderate peel, do not worry. If you can tolerate 3 to 4 pumps, that's still just as good of a treatment. You're still stimulating the cellular function of the skin, so you're improving your skin health, and you're still gonna get some great results from this at-home peel, whether you're doing it mild, aggressive, or like a little lower than mild. But if you can, try to increase the amount of pumps as soon as possible. I hope this information helped you understand our advanced anti-aging at-home peel protocol. If you have any questions, like always, feel free to reach out to me in our office, Nona Ophthalmology. Our number is 407-857-3937.